The Bring Your Own Device or BYOD solution for Poly Room Kits adds the ability to bring your own device to meetings by connecting your laptop with a single USB cable to Poly audio and video solutions in the room using any video applications. With the BYOD solution, leveraging great audio and video resources in the room becomes simple and easy, while disconnecting the USB cable from the laptop brings it back to the original state. Now, let's take a closer look at the BYOD kit. Poly has partnered with Icron, a leading provider of USB extension solutions, and Acroname, which provides programmable USB switches, to design this solution. The Icron USB 2.0 Ranger 2311 consists of local and remote extenders, a power supply for the extenders, and a USB Type-A to Type-B high-speed cable, supporting up to 480 megabit per second data transfer speed. Between the local and remote extender, you can use a standard category 5E, 6, or 7 cable, up to 100 meters, equal to 330 feet. These category cables are flexible, robust, and easily available, making them the preferred way to extend USB cables. Acroname's auto-switching USB hub, the USB Hub 3 Plus, comes with a USB switch with 8 USB 3.2 Type-A ports and 2 host ports, a power supply, and 2 USB Type-A to Type-B superspeed cables, supporting up to 5 gigabit per second data transfer speed. The 2 host ports connect to the host devices, one for the conferencing PC and the other for BYOD device. Host port 1 connects to the conferencing PC and port 0 to the Icron USB remote extender. Port 0 has the priority, so whenever you connect the USB cable on the conference table to a laptop via the Icron USB local extender, then the USB peripherals that connect to the 8-port USB hub, such as a Poly Studio or 30 camera, become available to the connected laptop. When the USB cable is disconnected again, the USB devices restore connection to the conferencing PC automatically. In addition, when the HDMI cable is connected to the Poly GC8 Mini HDMI port, the laptop screen is projected onto the room display so the rest of the room can see what's happening. With the BYOD solution for Poly Room Kits, you can deliver a simple and consistent way to enable BYOD workflows throughout conference rooms.